So how do you get beautiful skin? No matter your age, you want to get a great skin, you have to address the entire body, okay? Your skin is a reflection of what's inside you, okay? Primarily, your skin is the largest organ of your body. It's also called the third kidney. And when your kidneys don't function properly in filtering out metabolic waste, your skin will take the burden. Your skin, however, is not as efficient as the kidneys in eliminating waste, and therefore there'll be accumulation of waste underneath the skin. So you start getting skin problems, psoriasis, eczema, rosacea, pimples, acne. All those are related to your internal system, okay? Specifically your kidney filtration. Remember that in every single cell you have blood to feed the cell, you have lymphatic fluid to remove waste from the cell. When the lymphatic system is not moving properly, is not moving waste properly, there's accumulation of acids and starts to affect the organ, tissue or gland involved, okay? So with your skin, your liver is usually compromised, it's not working properly. Your spleen could also be affected, and it's going to be your kidneys as well, and your adrenal glands, endocrine glands, and your bowels. If you have unclean bowels, your skin tends to show this as well. So we generally going to cleanse the body. We're going to change our diet. Okay, when you change our diet, we're going to feel great anyway. So everyone should try and improve their diet with a raw fruit diet, and high fruits. A raw vegan diet is the best diet to use. Of course, you can now and then, you're going to have your cooked meals now and then, but I'm trying to show you how to get your skin better. Once we have done that, okay, we're by using the herbs, by changing the diet, we're going to use skin oils, okay, on a daily basis. So you have a skin oil like this. This is turmeric skin oil, but there are quite a few on my website you can use. And these, what makes these skin oils so perfect is that they are double infused. They are natural. There are no chemicals in here, okay, no preservatives. The only preservative we use here is vitamin E, which is natural. Okay, and some grapefruit seed extract. Fantastic, nothing like this out there. Okay, double infused, very potent, and you're gonna put it on your skin. And this skin oil will hydrate the skin, keep the skin supple, youthful looking, and healthy. Okay, doesn't matter what you're experiencing right now. It could be acne, it could be psoriasis, eczema. You still use the same process. Use the skin oils, but of course work on the insides of your body. Work on your health. Okay, you're gonna get the best of both worlds. You're gonna start looking younger, feel better, have great skin, and this is how simple it is. You just have to take action.